Reverend Coco here for Unity. Did you know that there are scientific studies that link forgiveness with better cardiovascular health? Yes, in fact, our ability to forgive can lead to better physical health. This Sunday, we are going to be exploring that as part of our 7 Sunday series, Make Me an Instrument. Perhaps Jesus was way ahead of his time when he said that we must forgive 70 times 7. So join us this Sunday at 10 o'clock for our English service and at 12 for Spanish. In the meantime, let us celebrate life together.
No matter where you come from, no matter where you're going, here's a place where you can take comfort in the knowing that whether if you've come to stay a while or just passing through, this door is open to you. Come and let's be silent. Come and share a hug. Come, let's pray together. Come love and be loved.